Hello friends, you can see 10 calculations written on the board here. We have posted innumerable number of tricks to solve all these problems. So how much time do you think you will take to solve all these 10 questions? Perhaps your answer will be 7 to 8 minutes. But if you watch the videos posted on the channel and the shortcut we have given to solve all these problems, you can solve this in virtually less than 2 minutes time. So I'm going to solve these problems now on the board using the shortcuts, and you can watch how the speed of calculations can be increased to a great extent using these shortcuts. So here I go. Now here I have mentioned the trick number of that particular method, and I am taking up one example of each kind so that you can be aware of the trick number and you can practice those things whenever you find time. So let's get on with this one. See, trick number 177, it deals with the squaring of numbers ending with 1. In this case, you square up the tens place, that is 7, and multiply it by 10. Then double up the tens place and then put 1 to the result. So what does this become? This is 49. So 490 and plus 14. 490 plus 14 is 504. And put 1, you get 5041 as the answer. Trick 177, you can see the detailed video. Trick 157, to find which of the two is greater, whether it is greater, less or smaller. Now let's see. 7 into 12, just cross multiply. 7 into 12 is 84 and 5 into 11 is 55. So this numerator gives you the larger product. So this fraction is greater. Similarly, trick 178 deals with the squaring of numbers ending with 4. How do you do this? 9 into 10 means this number multiplied by its consecutive number and then multiplied by 10 because it is in the tens place, minus double of the tens place and add 1. So what number do you get by doing this? 9 into 10 is 90, into 10 is 900. 900 minus 18 is 882 plus 1, 883. And what do you do next? 4 square is 16. So just put 6 to the right of the result. You will get the square of that number. Now let's have Another trick number 179, which deals with squaring numbers ending with 6. How do you do this? The unit digit is always 6. The tens digit, this is important, 8 plus 1, 9. Double of 9 is 18 and then again add 1. Once again, 8 plus 1 is 9. Double of 9 is 18 and 18 plus 1 is 19. And for the 100 place, just multiply the tens place by its consecutive number. 8 into 9, 72. So now 6 comes as it is, but 19 we cannot write 19, we will write 9 and add this to the next number. So 72 becomes 73. So 7396 is the square of 86. You can see the detailed video to learn these methods. I am just giving you a brief summary. So trick 227, HCF of fractions. In this case, find the HCF of numerators and the LCM of denominators. See, you can see very clearly here 15 and 25, the common factor is 5. So 5 will be the HCF. And 16 and 24, 16 does not divide 24. So take multiples of 24, 24 into 2, 48. 48 is divisible by 16. So 48 is in the denominator. So pi upon 48 is the answer. Trick number 3, it deals with finding the product of numbers which are close to a round figure, like these two numbers are close to 1000. So you can do this very easily. I'm just solving it for telling you the method, and you can see the detailed video in trick number 3. 7 3 is 21, but we need to put a 0 because they are close to 1000. Now subtract like this or like this, you get 990. So 990021 is the answer. Let's have trick number 6. This is squaring numbers ending with 5. Very easy, very interesting video. Apart from 5, we have 11. So 11 into 12, it gives you 132. So just write 132 and write 25 to this result. To the right of this result, you get 13225 as the answer. Trick 11 gives you a method to memorize the algebraic identities, and you can write the identities of such a big expressions also using this method. So let's see how this goes. This makes use of the Pascal's triangle. You can see the video trick number 11 and solve it yourself. See, I am writing it myself. See, this is the identity for a plus b power 5. I have used trick number 11 to write this. Now, trick 19 deals with cubing numbers which are actually 2-digit numbers. How do you do this? See, 34 cube, 4 cube is 64, 4 square is 16, 3 is 48, 3 square is 9, 9 4 is 36, and 3 cube is 27. Now double this. And now we can start with the answer 4. 6 comes down here. So 12 plus 8, 20. 9, 13, 15. So 15 gets added here. Now we can add 6 plus 5, 11 plus 2, 13. 3, 1. 7 plus 3, 10, 12. So 12 gets added here. So 9, 3. 39304 is the cube of 34. You can see the detailed video. I'm not giving you the detailed explanation for this. You can see the trick number which is mentioned here. Trick 26 deals with multiplying numbers with 8. So whatever is the number, double of 66 is 132. Again double is 264. And again double is 528, which is the product of 66 and 8. Rapidly. Through these tricks, which I am going to discuss in this video, you will be able to multiply any kind of numbers within 3 to 5 seconds time only. A number of tricks have been posted on the channel, and you can see the playlist of multiplication tricks to watch and practice all these videos. In the meanwhile, I am discussing some of the tricks which I have posted, and through these tricks, all these calculations which I have written on board can be done in a single step. In trick number 7, I discussed a method through which you can multiply numbers by 11 orally. For this, you need to start from the unit place, write the unit digit, and then start adding from the unit digit in pairs. Like 2 plus 6 is 8, 6 plus 5 is 11. So we retain 1 and carry 1. 5 plus 8 is 13 and carry 1 14. Again 1 carry. 8 plus 3 is 11 plus 1 carry 12. Again 1 carry. 3 plus 4 is 7 plus 1 8. And finally we write the first digit as it is. So 48248182 is the product of these two numbers. Likewise in trick 16, I discussed a method through which you can multiply any two numbers in a single step. That is the amazing method of vertically and crosswise. And here I am demonstrating that method for the numbers 714 and 53. Now 714 and 53. Let's write a 0 here. 4 3s are 12. So 1 carry. Now cross multiply the last two digits 20 and 3 23 plus 1 24. So 2 carry. Now first and last 21, this is 0 and 5 26 plus 2 28. Again 2 carry. Now these two pairs 35 plus 2 37. So 3 carry. And finally 7 into 0 is 0. So 3 carry will be retained here as the last digit. So 37842 is the product. See, I am doing all these calculations in a single step, and that is what is the aim of this channel, to make you so resourceful that you have to spend very less time on calculations. Let's see multiplication by 5, which I discussed in trick 28, and also multiplication by 50 in the same trick. Multiplication by 5 can be very easy. Just write the half of this number, 432, 216, and just put a 0. You will get your answer for multiplication by 5. Likewise, when you have to multiply by 50, take the half again, 246 becomes 123, and put 2 zeros this time. So 12,300 is the product of these two numbers. In trick 41, I told you a method in which you can multiply numbers which differ by 4. So here see, 92 and 88, the difference between the two numbers is 4. Now how do you do that? You have to just find the number which lies exactly in between these two numbers, 88 and 92. So 90 lies exactly between these two numbers. Just write the square of 90, that is 8100, and subtract. How much is the difference here? Difference is 2. 2 here and 2 this side. That means total difference is 4. So just subtract 4 from this. You get 8096 as the product. So you have to take the square of the intermediate number and subtract the difference from this. This applies only when the numbers differ by 4. Numbers in tens. From 11 to 19, if you want to multiply any number, you can watch the detailed trick number 45 for this method. I am sure it is going to benefit you. And all these products can be found out very easily, like 12 and 13, 17 and 19, 18 and 16, 14 and 15, and so on. So how do we do this? The first thing is 14 plus 7 or 17 plus 4. Add the number, first number with the unit digit of the next number, or the second number with the unit digit of the first number. It will give you the same sum. So 14 plus 7 is 21. Just write 21, then a slash, and then multiply the unit digits. So 4 and 7, the product is 28. Now how do we find the answer? In this 2-digit number, we will retain the unit digit in the answer and carry forward this tens digit here. So 21 plus 2 becomes 23 and 238 is the product. I have given a detailed explanation using so many examples in trick number 45. You can watch that if you want to practice this method. Now see multiplication by triple one discussed in trick number 67. In this case, this number 61254. This is all we require. We don't need to write this 111. How do we do this? Now see, I write the answer here. Start from the unit place 4. After that, add in pair 4 plus 5 9. Then 3 digits 4 plus 5 9 plus 2 11. 1. Now 1 carry. Now if there is a 2-digit number in the sum, then you have to carry the 10th digit. So remember the 1 carry. Now since we have made the triplet and this one is also a triplet, so we will move on to the next number. From 5 we will start making triplets. So 5, 2, 1 is 7, and if you remember 5 to 1 is 8, and if you remember 1 carry, then this becomes 9. Then move on to the next. From 2 we start making the triplet up to 6. So 6 plus 1, 7 plus 2, 9 again. And since now we have covered up to the first digit, so we will leave 1 digit from the right side and we will be left with the doublet only. So this is 6 plus 1, 7, and finally the unit place, that is 6. So the product of 61254 and 111 is 6799194. Now this is the method. I have discussed that method in the trick number which I have mentioned here. So you can watch that trick to feel comfortable and to rehearse that method. So let's have the next one, trick number 70, in which I have discussed multiplication of any number by doublets. Now multiplication by 11 I have already discussed. So 22, 33, 44 up to 99. You can multiply all numbers using this trick only. Now see, 423 into 44 is actually 423 into 11 into 4. Now multiplication by 11, that is discussed in trick 7. So you can multiply these two numbers orally. Just start from the unit place 3. Then add in pairs 3 plus 2 5. 2 plus 4 6. And once we reach here, we write the last digit 4 again. And now what we do? We just have to multiply by 4, which can be done very easily. 4 3 is 12. 1 carry 20, 21, 2 carry 24, 26, 2 carry, and finally 18. So 18612 is the product of 423 and 44. Friends, all these tricks are very easy tricks, but you need little bit of practice to remember them, because in competitions these can prove vital because they save you a lot of time, and saving time is the essence of success in any competitive exam. So let's have trick number 259, in which I discussed the product of any number by 1.5 and 2.5 also. You can see the detailed trick. I am discussing only 1.5, taking one example. How do you multiply a number by 1.5? Just write that number first, 720, and then add half of that number, you get the answer. 720, the half is 360. And now 700 and 300 gives you 1000, that is 1000, and 20 plus 60 gives you 80. So 1080 is the product of 720 and 1.5. Friends, I am writing this step just to let you know that these are the steps involved in getting to the answer. But in exam, even this step is not required, and you can find the answer 1080 directly without any fuss. So this is what maths is all about. If you start skipping steps effectively, then only you can ensure success. Let's see. In 348 number trick, I discussed the method of rearrangement, and rearrangement is one thing which helps you in exam. Now see, if you multiply 25 and 362, it is a blunder. Why? Because that will give you a huge number to be multiplied by 20. But 25 is a number which is divisible by 5. And all those numbers divisible by 5 and 10, they are easier to handle. So 25 into 20. Now 25 into 2 is 50, and 10 means 500. So 362 will remain as it is in the first step, and we have a 500 when we multiply the first and third. So you need to see which two numbers are easier to multiply. Only then you go for the final product. And now two zeros will be there in the answer, obviously, and 5 will be multiplied by this, and multiplication by 5 I have discussed here. Take half of this and put a 0. 362 is 181. The half is 181, and 181 followed by 10 will give you the product of 362 by 5, and obviously these two zeros were there. So the final answer for the question is 1,81,000. I am recapitulating tricks 439, 440, 441, 442, and obviously by watching these tricks you can generalize this result into many other different methods of multiplication. Now let's see trick number 439. I told you a method through which you will be able to multiply numbers by 12 within no time. That too in a single step. Now let's discuss this method. All we need to do is to multiply each digit by 2, not by 12, and follow a simple procedure. Start with the unit place. See, double of 4 is 8. So we have 8 here. Double of 2 is 4. But when we move on to the second digit, we will be adding the digit on the right hand side to the product. That is, double of 2 is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. Now double of 4 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. So 0, and we have 1 carry. Now see, at the end we need to remember that we have to put a 0 here and repeat that step. So double of 0 is 0. 0 plus 4 is 4, and remember the 1 carry. So 4 plus 1, 5. So 5088 is the product of 424 and 12. Let's apply the method here. Double of 7 is 14. So 4, and remember the 1 carry. Double of 3 is 6. 6 plus 7 is 13, plus 1 14. So 4, again 1 carry. Double of 6 is 12, plus 3 15, plus 1 16. 6 1 carry. So put a 0, remember the 1 carry. Double of 0 is 0, plus 6 6, plus 1 7. So 7 6 double 4 is the product of 637 and 12. Now you can practice this method and multiply 4 digit 5 digit numbers by 12 in a single step using this amazing method. Now all these tricks were actually the extrapolation of this method. Let's apply this method to multiply any number by 13. Now for multiplying by 13, you don't need to multiply by 13, just you have to multiply by 3, that is, take the triple. So 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 2 is 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 3 times 3 is 9, 9 plus 2, 11. So remember the 1 carry, put a 0, 3 times 0 is 0, plus 3, 3, 3 plus 1, 4. So 4186. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 4 is 12. 12 plus 3 15. So 5. Remember the 1 carry. 3 times 8 is 24, plus 4 28, plus 1 29. Remember the 2 carry. Put a 0. 3 times this is 0. 0 plus 8 is 8. 8 plus 2, 10. So 10,959 is the product. In the subsequent trick number 441, I discussed the method for multiplying any number by 14. See, I have taken only 3-digit numbers, but you can take 4-digit, 5-digit numbers also. The more you practice, the more you feel comfortable. See, now 14 means 4. So you have to multiply by 4. 4 4s are 16. 6, remember 1 carry. 4 3s are 12. Add the right place, that is 4. So 4 3s are 12, plus 4 16, plus 1 17. So remember the 1 carry again. 4 2s are 8, plus 3 11, plus 1 12. So remember the 1 carry. 4 zeros are 0, 0 plus 2, 2, 2 plus 1, 3. So 3276. 4 twos are 8. 4 nines are 36 plus 2, 38. 3 carry. 4 fives are 20, 29. 32. Again 3 carry. So 4 zeros are 0 plus 5, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 442 number trick, in which I told you method to multiply any number by 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Now this is a generalization video. So let's multiply by 5 now. 5 twos are 10, 0. Remember 1 carry. 5 ones are 5 plus 2, 7 plus 1, 8. So no carries. 5 6 are 30 plus 1, 31. 1 3 carry. So 5 0 is 0 plus 6, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. Apply it here. 5 6 are 30, 0 3 carry. 5 4s are 20 plus 6 26 plus 3 29. 2 carry. 5 4s are 20 plus 4 24 and 2 26. Again 2 carry. So 4 and 2 6. Apply this method for 16. Multiply by 6 now. 6 4s are 24. 2 carry. 6 3s are 18 plus 4 22 plus 2 24. Again 2 carry. 6 1s are 6 plus 3 9 plus 2 11. 1 carry. 6 0 are 0 plus 1 1 1 plus 1 2. So 2 1 4 4 is the required product. Finally we have this number. So 7 6 are 42. 2 4 carry. 7 5s are 35. This is 6 5s are 6 7s are 42. 2 4 carry. Now 6 5s are 30 plus 7 37 plus 4 41. Again 4 carry. 6 5s are 30 plus 5 35 plus 4 39. Now remember the 3 carry. So 0. 6 0 is 0 plus 5 5. 5 plus 3 8. So 8912 is the required product. Students, you can practice by taking lots of such examples. I am sure after a practice of 1 hour, you will be feeling comfortable in multiplying any number containing any number of digits by 12, 13, 14 up to 19. So friends, if you are really liking the videos, do share it with your friends and do not forget to subscribe the channel.